Close your eyes for a moment and let your imagination run wild. Picture a world crafted entirely from colorful clay, a place where everything is soft to the touch and vibrant to the eye. Imagine a place so peaceful and beautiful it feels like a happy dream, a serene escape from the everyday hustle and bustle, a place where worries melt away like clay in warm hands. This magical place is Switzerland, often called heaven on earth, and today we're visiting a very special version of it. In our claymation world, everything is soft, rounded and bursting with bright, cheerful colors. It's a place designed to bring a smile to your face. Even the air sparkles with friendly clay dust motes, dancing in the sunlight like tiny, joyful spirits. Every hill, tree and flower is shaped from the brightest, softest clay, carefully molded with love and attention to detail. Sunshine, yellow, sky blue, grass green. It's a symphony of colors that will delight your senses. Here, smiles are made of clay too, always ready to greet you with warmth and genuine happiness. Every face is a friendly face. The world moves at a gentle pace. The only rush is a tumbling clay stream merrily flowing down a hillside, or a wagging clay dog's tail expressing pure joy. The mountains stand tall but with soft edges, inviting you to explore their gentle slopes, and the valleys feel like a warm hug, a comforting embrace that soothes the soul. This land whispers tales of tranquility, inviting you to slow down, breathe deeply, and simply be happy in the present moment. So come with us, let's explore this amazing clay Switzerland together and uncover all of its hidden wonders. We'll see incredible sights from towering clay mountains to sparkling blue lakes, and meet friendly clay people, always eager to share a smile and a story, and discover what makes this land so special, so unique, and so utterly captivating. Every corner holds a new delight, a new surprise, a new opportunity to be amazed by the creativity and charm of this claymation world. Get ready to step inside this colorful clay embrace and let the magic of Switzerland wash over you. Welcome to the majestic mountains of our clay Switzerland, a land sculpted not by time but by imagination. These aren't just mountains, they're a testament to the boundless creativity that can be captured in clay. These mountains are friendly giants, guardians of this whimsical world. Their gentle expressions and welcoming presence create a sense of safety and wonder. They stand tall, not with imposing might, but with a comforting embrace. Sculpted from swirls of purple, blue and pink clay, they are a vibrant tapestry of color. Each swirl tells a story, a hidden pathway into the heart of the mountain. The colors blend and dance, creating a mesmerizing effect that captivates the eye. Their peaks are gently rounded, soft curves that invite you to reach out and touch them. There are no sharp edges here, only smooth, comforting forms that speak of peace and tranquility. Topped with fluffy white clay snow that never melts, a perpetual winter wonderland. This snow is not cold and biting, but soft and inviting, like a blanket of dreams. It adds a touch of magic to the already enchanting landscape. These clay Alps reach into a smooth blue sky, a canvas of endless possibilities. They stand as silent sentinels, watching over the land and its inhabitants, dotted with puffy white clouds like grazing sheep drifting lazily across the azure expanse. These clouds are playful and whimsical, adding a touch of light-heartedness to the scene. Sunlight made of warm yellow clay bathes the mountains in a golden glow. It's a light that brings life and energy to the land, making everything shimmer with warmth. Makes the slopes glow invitingly, beckoning you to explore their hidden paths and secret valleys. The light dances across the clay, creating a mesmerizing display of color and shadow. The mountains aren't just scenery, they're characters, each with their own unique personality and story to tell. Look closely and you'll see the subtle expressions etched into their clay faces. Watching over the land with a gentle gaze, offering protection and guidance to all who dwell within their embrace. Their eyes are kind and wise, reflecting the ancient wisdom of the mountains. Little clay goats with wobbly legs and tiny bells roam freely, adding a touch of playful chaos to the serene landscape. Hop along the lower slopes, their tiny bells jingling merrily as they explore their mountainous home. They are a symbol of the vibrant life that thrives in this clay wonderland. Munching on green clay bushes, their contented chewing adding to the symphony of sounds that fill the air. Every nook is filled with playful details, hidden elements that reveal themselves only to those who take the time to look closely. A testament to the joy of creation, a celebration of the artistic spirit that breathes life into this clay world. From afar, the mountains look like a giant, beautiful sculpture, a masterpiece crafted with love and care. Changing color as the clay sun moves, painting the landscape with a kaleidoscope of hues. Morning brings misty softness, a gentle embrace that awakens the mountains from their slumber. Midday is bright and bold, a vibrant explosion of color and light that invigorates the senses. And evening glows with warm oranges and reds, a comforting sunset that signals the end of another magical day. These mountains are always peaceful, always beautiful, a sanctuary of tranquility in a world that often feels chaotic. They are the strong, silent heart of our clay Switzerland, the foundation upon which this whimsical world is built. A colourful testament to nature's grand design, reimagined in loving clay, a celebration of the beauty that can be found in the simplest of materials. Here the mountains invite you to dream, to let your imagination soar and explore the endless possibilities that lie within this clay wonderland. And in this world, dreams are always welcome, nurtured and celebrated. So come, wander through these majestic mountains of molded clay and let your imagination take flight. Nestled between the whimsically shaped friendly clay mountains lie the greenest valleys you could ever imagine. These aren't just any valleys, they're a vibrant, soothing escape into a world crafted with love and care. The valley floor is made of soft, squishy clay, resembling a lush carpet that invites you to sink in and relax. It's a texture that feels both familiar and fantastical, a testament to the simple joys of this claymation world. Tiny clay flowers in red, yellow, blue and purple dot the landscape, creating a vibrant tapestry that makes it even more cheerful and inviting. These little pops of color add a touch of magic to the already enchanting scenery. Shiny blue clay rivers wind lazily through the valleys, sparkling as if sprinkled with diamonds, catching the light and adding a touch of glamour to the serene landscape. The water seems to dance and shimmer, inviting you to follow its gentle course. The lakes are giant pools of clear blue clay, so pure and inviting that you can almost feel the cool, refreshing water. They perfectly reflect the surrounding mountains and the vast open sky above, creating a mirror-like surface that doubles the beauty of this claymation world. Little clay boats with bright sails bob gently on the water's surface, adding a playful touch to the tranquil scene. And families of clay ducks paddle in neat lines, their tiny wakes creating delicate patterns on the still water. The lake edges are soft, sandy clay, perfect for dipping tiny clay toes and feeling the cool, smooth texture beneath your feet. Gentle ripples shimmer in the light, creating a mesmerizing dance of reflections and shadows on the water's surface, while silver and orange clayfish wiggle beneath the surface, adding a touch of mystery and intrigue to the underwater world. Life here is slow and happy. Clay cows graze peacefully in the lush meadows, their bells tinkling softly in the breeze, creating a soothing and harmonious sound. The sound of water, birds and bells creates a peaceful symphony that fills the air, a constant reminder of the simple beauty of this place. It's a tranquil oasis, a perfect spot to dream and let your imagination run wild, surrounded by the gentle beauty of nature. In these valleys and by these lakes, every moment is calm and content, a chance to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and simply be present in the moment. The handcrafted world of green and blue is pure joy. Here, peace is not just a feeling, it's an integral part of the landscape, woven into every detail of this charming claymation paradise. Spring in clay, Switzerland bursts with fresh color as white clay snow melts into trickling streams, waking the valleys. New green shoots and pastel flowers appear, and clay birds sing in wobbly nests. Summer brings a big, happy yellow clay sun, making valleys greener and lakes sparkle. Little clay people hike, picnic and laugh, filling long days with adventure. Autumn paints the trees in red, orange and gold, leaves falling like colorful jewels. The air turns crisp, perfect for cozy clay sweaters and warm clay cocoa. Golden light makes everything magical, a gentle sigh before winter. Winter wraps Switzerland in a soft white clay blanket. Mountains wear thick snowcaps. Lakes shimmer with icy blue clay. Clay children build snowmen and sled down gentle slopes, laughter ringing in the cold air. Wispy grey clay smoke curls from chimneys of cozy cottages. Each season brings its own magic, transforming the land. The cycle of seasons is a gentle, beautiful dance. In clay Switzerland, every change is a celebration. Nature's wonders are always on display. Swiss trains in our clay world are colourful mechanical caterpillars, bright red carriages with yellow stripes or deep blue with silver windows. They chug along perfectly laid clay tracks, winding through valleys and climbing gentle mountain slopes. Tunnels carved in clay rock echo with cheerful toots. Inside, tiny clay seats and curtains make every ride cozy. Through the windows, the clay scenery whizzes by. Lakes, cows, and mountain peaks. The trains move smoothly, their rhythmic clickety-clack soothing and dreamlike. Always on time, the clay station master waves his flag, sending trains off with a puff of white clay steam. These trains connect towns and villages, weaving a magical thread through the land. Riding them feels like being in a moving picture book. They're more than transport, they're a joyful experience. A ride on a Swiss clay train is a ride through a dream. Swiss clay cheese is made from the finest yellow clay. Big round wheels with perfect holes. Tiny clay mice try to sneak a nibble, but the cheesemakers guard their treasures. Melted into gooey fondue, clay people gather to dip bread and share smiles. The aroma of melted clay cheese fills the air, making everyone feel cozy. And then the chocolate. Swiss clay chocolate comes in beautiful bars, dark milk and white, some with nuts or fruit. Breaking off a piece makes a soft clay snap, and the smooth chocolate melts delightfully in your imagination. Clay chocolatiers craft wonderful shapes: cows, mountains, perfect squares. The smell of sweet clay chocolate fills the towns, bringing joy to every clay face. Cheese and chocolate are the tasty treasures of this edible-looking wonderland. They're a celebration of craftsmanship and joy. In clay Switzerland, every treat is a work of art. The houses in clay Switzerland are cozy chalets with sloping roofs, warm-toned walls, and rustic clay beams. Flowers spill from window boxes and tiny shutters add charm. Smoke curls from chimneys, promising warmth inside. Nestled in green hills or by sparkling lakes, these cottages welcome you with open arms. The clay people are the friendliest folk, smiling, waving, and always ready to help. They wear traditional clothes and take pride in their beautiful land. Their warmth and kindness shape the spirit of this wonderland. They are the heart of clay Switzerland. Traditions in clay Switzerland are colourful threads in a beautiful tapestry. Lively festivals fill town squares with dancing, music and laughter. Market days bring stalls of painted cowbells, carved figures and delicious cheese and chocolate. The community comes together to share stories and joy. Clay farmers care for their land with respect, keeping paths clear and fields lush. This deep-rooted love for nature preserves the beauty for all. Life moves gently, treasuring simple joys and peaceful moments. It's a heritage of happiness, woven into every curve and colour. Why do so many dream of Switzerland? Because this clay wonderland captures true peace and beauty. Majestic mountains, sparkling lakes and lush valleys are sculpted for happiness. The charm of red trains, holy cheese, smooth chocolate and cozy cottages lingers in your mind. Friendly clay people welcome you with warm smiles and open hearts. Here, hospitality turns a visit into a heartwarming experience. Clay Switzerland is a haven where worries melt away and harmony reigns. It inspires wonder and calm joy in all who visit. That's why our hearts will always long for this magical handcrafted heaven on earth.